Welcome to the screen of my phone. In today's video, I will be showing you the best survey platform in Africa. It is only meant for those that are in Africa, and you'll be getting $20 for every survey you take. And what you do here basically is that you trade your opinions for money, and it is available in more than 24 countries in Africa. So it converts to like it connects many wide range of companies that are active across Africa's, and they are looking for views and opinions and helping them to develop their products. That is what you do. Like, you give them views on how to develop their products in Africa. And on this, so as you can see, they say Sagapo is a paid survey app in Africa. A voice, make money online from home or anywhere, answering a few questions. It is free, and it's like this survey the reason why I like it is that like there is no long hours before they will give you points. So Sagapo connects you with a wide range of companies and organizations that are active across the Africa continent and looking for your views and opinions on their products. By participating in this survey, you will help them to develop new products and services or to improve existing ones. So what you will do is you just need to create an account, or okay, you download the app on Google's Play Store. After going through my referral link in the description below, so you get 5 points to automatically. So you create your account because it is free. Fill in your profile in order to receive surveys, answer surveys and earn points. Share a referral code with friends and both earn extra points. Redeem your points and make money from home. So when your point is up to 5,000, then you redeem it into $20. You can see testimonials here. Just go to the site and then view what is on the site. So I'm going to go to the app now, and then you see what I've done so far. Site, you answer surveys, and then you get points. Then you convert your points into cash. So the minimum money you can get from this site is $20, because $5,000 equals to $20 on this site. And for every survey you take, you can get up to like 200 points, 100 points, 25 points, and are going to even send you email that the surveys are available. Like, you do surveys daily. Per day you can get like 300 points per day, and they are very very simple tasks. They are very very simple. Even a boy, like a small child, can do these tasks as far as you can get the answers to the surveys, and they are very very simple. To talk about what you use at home, about you, it's just simple and basic questions to answer. So you just give them the points, and then you give them the answers to the surveys. Then you will get your points after completing it. And the requirement is for Africans alone. You can make money by inviting your friends to. If you invite your friends, if they use your referral link, then they will get, both of you will get 5 points. And then it is available on Google Play, on Play Store. It's very very simple to use. I'm going to get into the site now to see what this site or app will be using, what it is all about again. So the name of the site is sagapo.com. So this is the interface of the app, and then this is my account, and I've earned 40 points so far, and I'm still waiting for those ones that I have done that is going to add up for today. And I'm very very sure I will still get more survey today, because it told me to come back tomorrow. Like, I'm still going to get the email alert. And the reason why I like this app is that there is conversations. Like, you can chat with people, you can ask questions on this app, then people will answer you. You can see, like, you can ask questions, you can see what is trending here, and then you will see people that is answering you, like from any African countries. You see them. You can see people from Nigeria, from Kenya, from Ghana. You see everybody here. So you can see, thanks to Sagapo, when I have 4,000, I will soon reach 4,465 points. I will soon reach 5,000 points. So you can see that people are really getting money, and it is very very rich, guys. So like, making money online requires patience. So you need to be very very patient here. This is not a Ponzi scheme. So you need to be very, very patient when getting your money here. So when you are done with everything, then you go to under menu, you see where you redeem your points, and then you get your money. So I've earned 40 points. So when I get 5,000 points, I'm going to withdraw my money here. And this thing is very, very simple. Like, it's very, 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 very simple. They can just ask you what is the drink you take at almost time. Maybe it is juice or coke, or they can just ask you any questions. So they are very, very simple. And this is the reason why I like this survey app is that they don't give stress, and it is not as if will be qualified before you can start answering surveys question here. No, like there's no any qualification for this app. So even if you have experience or you don't have experience in taking survey, then this app is for you. So this will be the end of today's video. I'm very, very sure you like it. So get started now and click on the link below to get your 5 points and start earning money on this Sagapol app. See you in my next video.